VR stands for virtual reality. It's a totally artificial world. For example, if you are sitting in your lounge room and when you put on a VR headset, if that VR headset is showing you a desert, you only see desert and nothing about your lounge. AR stands for augmented reality. AR combines both real world and artificial worlds. So with AR headset, you would not only experience your lounge but also desert in your lounge. Apple Vision Pro headset provides both AR and VR experiences. You just strap it around your face and then it will combine both worlds and show you the AR VR experience. You can control it with your eyes and your hands. In the next video, I'm going to give you a bit more detailed review of Apple Vision Pro. Thank you.